Hey guys, my name's Bammy and I'm here today with Minnie Marley, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to twerk. I'm so excited to teach this for you guys because I've had a lot of questions. People always ask me like, twerking seems so hard. So I'm going to break it down for you today with my girl Minnie in some simple, easy steps. Okay guys, so let's get twerking. The best thing about twerking is that it's an amazing exercise for your legs, especially the muscles, your quads, glutes, and those hamstrings. So what you want to do is have your feet just about shoulder width apart. Then you're going to put your hand on your thighs. You're going to assume about a half squat position. Suck in that stomach so you can get those nice tight abs. And then you're just going to pop the booty like popcorn. Just pop. Perfect. And then what you want to do is suck in that stomach and tilt that booty in and then pop. And that is literally the basics of a twerk. And what you can do is you can speed it up. You can bring it down a little bit. Bring it up. It's super versatile and fun. How did it feel twerking?
It feels good. I feel my bum moving.
It's so much fun. Honestly, it's liberating. So grab your friends. We're going to have a twerk party right here, right now. Put on your favorite tunes and let's get twerking. Hey, hey, hey. Let's twerk. Okay, guys. I hope you're ready. I hope you're warm. Let's start with our basic position. That's it. Woo! I'm feeling a bit of a burn already. That's so good. You're doing a great job, Minnie. Guys at home, I know you're doing amazing. Let's speed it up. Let's go. Hey. 4, 3, 2, march it out to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Twerk. 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 Yes, that's it. 4, 3, 2. Speed it up right now. Hey, 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 hey. 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. Let's go. And twerk. So good. Speed it up. Shake out your legs. We're going to bring it down all the way to the floor. I know you can go low, okay? At home, I want to see you touch your toes. Let's go. Twerk to the floor. Yes, that's it, Minnie. How low can you go? Can you take it down low? Hey, all the way to the floor. Yes! Bring it up right now. Bring it up, bring it up. Speed it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to twerk with us today.